Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix lag and FPS drop in Skate. First, make sure your game is up to the latest version. Now that's out of the way, I'll show you on the screen the settings that you need to do. So in your settings, make sure that lowering your graphic settings, especially options like shadows, effects, anti-aliasing, and post-processing, is on the lowest. If you're on a PC, switch to full screen mode for better performance and close any unnecessary background applications before playing. It's also a good idea to update your graphics driver if you're using an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. If you're playing on Xbox, PlayStation, simply restarting your console can help clear temporary issues that cause lag. Finally, use a stable internet connection. If you're playing online, restart the game after making your changes, and you should notice smoother gameplay and better FPS. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more quick and easy gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.